Malachi. Come on, let's finish this work real quick. Come here. Come here, baby. All right, so put your finger right there and tell me what that says. No, this one. What that say?
Glenn.
Glenn. And that gluh word. Can you tell me another word that your teacher said starts with gluh? What's the new word you learned?
Glutamate.
What word starts with gluh? Glue and what else? Glue. And what word is that?
Glutamate.